You are welcome to this brand new video. On this video today, I'm going to be showing you step by step on how to make up to $217 per day with CPA marketing. So as you can see here, I've gotten up to 345 clicks and you can see I earned $217. So I'm going to take you step by step on how to do it. So make sure you watch this video till the end, and if you are new, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. So what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here. You are going to scroll down to offer tools. Once you come to the offer tools, you are going to click on it. When you click on it, you are going to see something like this. So you are going to click on my offers. So once you click on my offers, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, different offers that you can promote right here. So what we are going to do is that we are going to search for a lot of countries so that we can get offers to promote. So you are going to come here and then search for a tier 1 countries like US, Canada, UK and Australia. You can get offers that will pay you higher amount per every lead that you get. So you are going to search for US. Once you search for US, you are going to click on it. As you can see, you are going to get different offers right here to promote. So as you can see, these are offers that you can promote. You can see this offer, for example, you can see the payout is $2.05. You can see another one, $1.71. So as you scroll, you can see many offers. You can see this one right here, $2.57. So what we are going to do is that we are going to promote offers from different countries, because the traffic source that we are going to use, it is not directed towards one specific country. So we are going to promote different offers on one list so that we can get people to sign up for the offers, and then we will earn a commission. So what you are going to do is that you are going to click right here on this particular offer. So once you click on the offer, what you are going to do is that you are going to copy the name of the offer right here on top of it. As you can see, you are going to copy it. Once you copy the name of the offer, you are going to open a Google document and you are going to paste it right here. So once you paste the name of the offer right here, you are going to go back and copy your affiliate links. So once you come back to CPA Grip, the next thing is that you are going to copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to bring it back to your Google document. You are going to paste the link here. Here, what you are going to do is that you are going to also enter the name of the country here. So this offer, you are allowed to get traffic from the United States. So what you are going to do is that here you are going to type something like USA. Once this is done, you are going to go for another offer. You are going to copy the name of the offer and then copy the country that you are allowed to get traffic from. So let's do that. So the first one, we search for United States. So the second one, we are going to search for another country. So you are going to search for Canada. As you can see, once you search for Canada, you can see that there are offers here that you can also promote. As you can see, this one right here, get $750 to spend at Walmart. So this is a Walmart gift card. So you are going to open this offer. Once you open the offer, you are going to copy the name of the offer and you are going to come back to your document. Here you are going to paste the name of the offer here. So as you can see, this is the name of the offer. So the next thing is that we are going to copy our affiliate link and paste it right here. So you go back to CPA Grip and you can copy your link. Once you come back to CPA Grip, the next thing is that we are going to now copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back to your Google document and here you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. So as you can see, this is your unique affiliate link. So the next thing is that we are going to write the name of the country here. So Canada. So as you can see, you have the name of the country, we have the name of the offer, we have our affiliate link. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to create a list of offers like this and the countries that you are allowed to promote. So you are going to create up to 7, up to the number that you like. But this is a tutorial, so I just want to demonstrate it for you to see. So as you can see, these are the list of offers that you are going to promote. The next thing is that you are going to build a landing page that will contain all these affiliate links and the countries that you are allowed to promote the products. So what you are going to do is that you are going to use a landing page builder that you can use to build a landing page for this offer. So I am using Aweber. So you can use any landing page builder that you want, provided you can do it. So if you create an account on Aweber, then log in, what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here, click on landing pages. So once you click on landing pages, you are going to come right here, click on create a landing page so that you can create your unique landing page. So as you can see right here, so you are going to scroll down and select any of these templates that you like. So if you want any of these templates, you can just select it and add it. So we are going to create a list. So you are going to come right here, select this particular template, link list. So you are going to just click on choose template so that you can begin editing this page and then insert your details in it. Once you select the template, you are going to see a page like this, and what you are going to do is that you are going to come right here and then change the profile picture. So you can insert your own picture here. You can also use a free stock image and upload it here. So you are just going to select it. Once you select it, just come here and then click on upload image, and you can change the image. If you don't want it, you can also delete it here. So once that is done, the next thing is that you are also going to type in your name here. Once you enter your name right here, the next thing is that you are going to put a call to action at the top here. So you are going to drag a text box and you are going to drop it below your name here. Here you are going to type in a simple call to action. So you are going to type a simple call to action like this. Choose your country to get a free gift card. So let me center it a little bit. So you are going to put it at the center. You are going to come right here and then increase the font size a little bit. Once you write a call to action like this, the next thing is that you are going to enter the office here and the countries that they are allowed to be promoted. So for example, when you come back to our office, you can see that we have this offer, get $1,000 PayPal gift card to spend. This offer is allowed in the United States. So you are going to copy the name of the offer. Once you copy the name of the offer, you are going to come here and you are going to delete this particular list. So you are going to delete this one. Once you delete it, you are going to paste your text here, as you can see. So you are going to come right here and then make sure you indicate the country so that the people will know the exact country that they are to select. So you are going to write the United States here. So you are going to type in USA. Once you type in USA, you can increase the font size so that it can stand out. So let's increase the font size to 24. The next thing is that you are going to leave it as bold. Once this is done, you are going to insert your affiliate link in this particular text so that anytime people from the United States, when they click on it, they will be directed to your affiliate link, and when they sign up with their email to receive this offer, you will receive a commission. So what you are going to do is that you are going to select it. Once you select it, you can see right here URL. So you are going to go back to your list. As you can see, once you come back to your list, you are going to copy your affiliate link right here. Once you copy it, you are going to go back to your landing page, and here, as you can see, you are going to select it as it has been selected. So you are going to come here URL, and this is where you are going to paste your affiliate link. So you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Once you paste your affiliate link, that is it. This particular text is linked to your affiliate links. So anytime the visitor click on this particular text, they are going to be directed to your affiliate link. So the next thing is that you are going to add another country here, and another country here, and another country here. So you are going to enter a list of different countries so that you can promote the offers together, so that anywhere you get traffic, you'll be able to get people to take action so that you can get paid with CPA grip. So I'm going to show you my own landing page so that you see how it looks like. As you can see my own landing page right here, you can see my image, you can see my name, you can see the call to action, and you can see the different countries that I've entered here. You can see that I've entered many countries. So as you can see, the list goes on and on and on. As you can see, the last one I've added worldwide. So it might be that there are traffic sources that I'll promote this offer to, and the visitors might not find their countries on this list. So once you have your list like this, the next thing is that you are just going to click on save and exit so that your landing page will be ready for you to promote. As you can see, this is the landing page. I have already published it, so I'm just going to open it for you to see how it looks like. So you are just going to click on the link and it will appear. So as you can see, this is the landing page. As you can see, let me scroll down for you to see. So as you can see, this is the landing page. So now once you have your landing page, the next thing is that you are going to find a traffic source that you can use to promote this offer. So we are going to be using a free traffic source, and you don't need to pay for anything. This is the website that we are going to be using to promote this offer. So the name of this website is listjumper.com. I have made a video showing you how to use this particular website. It's a traffic exchange website that you can use to promote your affiliate products. They have a lot of members that you can promote your offers to, and they are going to take action for you to earn money. So what you are going to do is that when you come here, there are two ways that you can promote your products. One of them is to run premium ads. So the premium ads, you are going to be clicking on these ads. So once you click on any of these ads, you are going to earn ad credits. So once you earn the ad credit, you can use it to run a premium ad on this platform. The next way that you can use to promote your products on this particular website is email ad. So for the email ad, you are going to be receiving emails from other members. So once you receive them, you are going to earn credit for reading their emails. So you don't need to even read them. You are just going to open it and you are going to be earning ad credit. So once you earn the ad credit, you are going to use your credit to send emails to other members for free. You are not going to pay for anything. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to use the email ad to demonstrate for you how to use this platform so that you can get maximum results without paying for anything. So you are going to just click on send email ad. Once you click on send email ad, you can see you are going to enter the subject of your email here, the content of your email here, and when you scroll down, you can see that there's a place for you to insert your website URL, and that is where you are going to insert your affiliate link. And you can see available credits is 1,369 credits. So it means when I send an email, it is going to be sent to 1,369 members on this particular platform. So this is very easy and you can do it daily and you are going to be getting results. So let's begin filling the details. So right here, you are going to enter the subject of the email ad. So here you are going to just paste your text right here. So once you paste your text, the next thing is that you are going to put our call to action again. So we are going to type a call to action like click on our website to get free access. So just simple as that. So now when you come here, there are keys here. You can see if you want the receivers to see their first email on the email, you are going to use a tag like this. If you want them to see their last names on the email, you are going to put a tag like this. So what you are going to do is that I am going to just tag with the first name. So let me do that. As you can see, I have tagged the email, so they are going to receive it with their first name. So they are going to see their first name in the email. So that means it's going to be personalized to them. So the next thing is that you are going to scroll down, and once you scroll down, you are going to enter your website URL here. So this is where you are going to insert your landing page. So you are going to come back to Aweber. Once you come back to Aweber, you are going to just click on copy URL. So you are going to copy the URL to your clipboard. Once that is done, you are going to go back to List Jumper, and right here you are going to paste the link to your landing page. Once that is done, you are going to come here and then determine the number of credit that you want to use. I want to send the email to 1,000 people, so you are just going to enter the number of people that you want to send right here. So that is credit to you. So the number of people that you want your email to reach. Once you enter that, you are going to come right here, click on send mail. Once you click on it, your email is now processing and it's going to be sent to the members on this platform, and you are going to be getting people acting on your landing page. Now, as you can see, check is successful. So if you are seeing this till the counter reaches 0, it means your submitted website is not frame breaking. Seconds left. So as you can see, this is the landing page. You can see it is counting right here. So as you can see, it will count down to 0 and it will tell me that it has been submitted. So as you can see right here, you can see congratulations, your site has been verified. So it means the email is going to be sent to the members. So another website that you can use to promote your landing page is WeMe. So what you are going to do is that you are going to create an account on this website. This is a social media network, and once you create an account, you can also promote your landing page on this platform, and everything is for free. You are not going to pay for anything. So you have to also come here, create your accounts, and you can begin to promote your landing page.